I just want to briefly talk about a topic that I've been seeing everywhere online. It's just about marriage, and I'm going to be talking more to immigrants that are just coming in, especially those from Africa, family men, married couples. I just want to share two brief things to help your marriage work. I know I may not know much about marriage, but I've been with my wife over 10 years, and we've been married for over 5 years, so I think I know one or two. All I'm going to be speaking in my channel, both in my YouTube channel and also on TikTok, is biblical principles about anything I'm talking about. So on the tables of the covenant about marriage, it has to be for a man to love the wife unconditionally, and for the wife to respect and honor the husband. So those are the bases we are going to be talking about. Let's jump into it. Number one, I'm going to be talking about accountability. In marriage, the both of you need to be accountable to each other, husband and wife. Especially the man, you need to be accountable to your wife. And also the woman, you need to be accountable to your husband. Open transparency. Coming together, open, very transparent, especially in your finances, running your finances together, even if not having the same running the same bank account, but everything should be transparent. The things that brings problem more in marriage is money. If you can be transparent and open to your partner or to your wife or to your husband with your money, then I think you solve 50% of the marital problem. Be open. Not that this person is having a different financial budget and the other person having a different financial budget. It's me and my wife. We run the same financial budget. We have different bank accounts, but we run this financial budget together and we decide how to spend our money. I don't send money to anyone without my wife being aware. And she also don't send money to anyone without me being aware. The number two thing I want to talk about is teamwork. They say good teamwork makes the dream work. Good teamwork makes the dream work. Come together, planning together, building the family together. Wherever you see confusion, there is no teamwork. Where people talk about, oh, you need to hide things from your wife, you need to be careful. When you start listening to things like that, you're already heading for destruction. Whatever you focus on more, it magnifies. When you begin to listen to negative things, you begin to drag them into your family, and you don't want such things. Marriage is unique. Marry your wife or your husband with your own experience. So you want to be able as a man to hold your family together. Plan with your wife. The Bible says, 1 shall chase 1,000 and 2 shall put 10,000 to flight. Stop using people's experience to come and judge your marriage. It won't fly. Thank you very much. If you're just stopping by, do well to follow, share, and like, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check on the link below. Thank you. My name is Henry.